It's Dr. Maureen Pichet from Harmony Dental Studio. Just making a little video to tell you about our Harmony home care kits. As we've been canceling appointments for preventative and routine care, all of these patients I've become very concerned about as the time is marching on and we don't know how much longer it's going to be before we can resume taking care of cavities and other problems. I am still available over teledentistry and for emergencies. So if you have uncontrolled pain, bleeding, swelling, that type of situation, or trauma, definitely give my office a call. In the meantime, we put together these kits, and the idea is that these are for folks that have diagnosed decay or at high risk of decay. They have broken teeth, or if you have recession or sensitivity, these kits are for you, especially if you've been on our list to have treatment done and we can't deliver it. What this kit will do is it'll give you home care products that are especially for you, as well as a treatment. So the treatment we're delivering with these kits is actually SDF, or silver diamine fluoride. What that does, it helps slow down the progression or stop entirely decay from progressing. You've probably had this treatment if you have cavities or have had cavities in my office in the last couple of years. I'm using it quite frequently on like root decay, children, lesions that I really want to get an upper hand on before we do any filling work. I definitely want to focus on folks that are concerned about any decay progressing, whether it's been diagnosed or it's just a concern of yours. Especially our teenagers and teenagers in braces are high on my list, or anyone with a dry mouth. And sensitivity, it treats as well. I've used it on myself as my teeth are a little bit more sensitive from a little bit more wine lately. I'm going to deliver them no contact, can hang it on your doorknob at home, and we're working with insurance on getting coverage for a good portion of that. The kit itself also comes with a teledentistry appointment with me, so I can walk you through the treatment itself. Hope to hear from you. Hope everything's good at your house. Take care.